Make a little room. There we go. There we go. Yeah, it's sprung a little leak over here. I'm gonna, if I unplug you. Alright, I'm gonna be over there for a second on that computer. But you know what? I can actually put it right here. Yeah, I can do that too. I didn't think of that. Whoa! Didn't even think of that. Right here. Yeah. There we go. There we go, Governor. Let's give you a little tilt. There you go. My mouse. My mouse. Let's make a file. Yep, I hear you. I hear you. I hear what you're thinking. And I heard that too. Alright, so now, okay. We got a little mouse action down here. And let's start a new page. Let's go to, I don't need an Excel sheet. I'll just use Word. Alright, Word. Let's go Coastie. Alright, so the twisted brown and black equal, equal, I believe that was a searchlight. Search spot, okay. Search spotlight. Some people call it a search, some people call it a spot, so we're going to put them both down there. S-E-A-R-C-H spot. Enter. Okay. Why is that? P. Why didn't you take it, P? P. Oh, my P doesn't want to work. Why doesn't P want to work? Oh, now it's working. PP. SP. Yeah, okay. Now, let's get back over where we were. Now, this was working in there. I don't know why it's not working out here. Let's see here. We're plugged in. Okay. So the next one was what? Twisted. Red and black. Those are the navs. Equal nav. Red, green, top, white. Are we there? Yeah, the only thing I want to do is I just want to put a little extra space. Okay. Between the twisted and the other stuff. Let's get that space out of there. Hold on, guys. Okay. 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 So that's where we're at there. Let's bring it back over here. Okay, so we have these, which are the searchlight. We have these, which are the nav lights. That's why it's a little heavier. Okay. And then we have, well, I gotta get rid of some of this twist. Let's get rid of some of this twist here. We want to take this red over there. So I gotta separate this a wee bit. So anyway, it's not too bad. If it wasn't so damn windy, I think it's Windy Wednesday or windy. No, today isn't Wednesday, it's Tuesday. Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Sunday, Saturday. Almost. See, once I get done with this, I may be able to trunk these together. I may not need to have them all running separate. We're going to find that out as I go along. Okay. So this one and that one are going to go together. And this one and that one are going to go together. Okay. Alright, now, what else do we have here? We got a yellow. Where the hell's the yellow one go? Yellow and black. Oh, I wonder. I bet you I know what that one is. Let's hook up a wire to this. I believe this is the hot wire I've been using. Yeah, okay. That's the strobe light. Now that's supposed to turn. Don't ask me why it's not. I don't believe that there's another part of that. I believe there was just two wires going into that. And a white and black. We have a white and black up here? I don't see one. Where the hell did that one go? Is that separated off? Oh, okay, that's what it is. Oh, that kind of stupid. Hold on a minute. Now that is stupid. Why did it do that? That's that light. Yeah, that's that light. So what they did was they took a white they took a red and black, the power that I have written down. And then up in the back here, they tied it off to a white and black. And then, where the hell? I can see if these were on different channels, why they would have done that, but they're not. This is one of those stupid things. There was no need to start changing all this around like they did. Because all they're doing is flopping wires that are confusing them as well. Now I'm confused because I can't, oh here they are, my cutters. Cut some of these wire ties off. I made this glue these when I'm done. I don't think I'm going to need everything that they have here. This is crazy. Okay, so here's what they did. I'm telling you, these people. They got the nav lights. No, they can't do that. I'm telling you, what a mess. I really don't know whoever was running the CAD program building this thing had no idea what the fuck they were doing. Really. Okay, so now we got to change this out because I'm not going to redo it all. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Wait a minute, now wait a minute. They got another one here. I forgot the top light. There's a top light too. Alright, so the red and black go off to, let's get over here and straighten this out. I'm back over here, guys. Hang in there. How am I going to do this? Let me do this. Let me put a little, okay. Red / black equal white / black at nav lights. Let me put a little gizmo there. Yeah. Okay. Now let me take it back over here and put a little. I hear a siren though. Okay, so what we have now is, if somebody were to look at this, well, let me start to save this first, so we have something going here. Coastie. Coastie lights. Save. Okay. So here's what I have written. Twisted red and black. Twisted red and black right here. Equal nav lights, meaning there's something going on. I didn't hear the scanner though. Meaning the nav lights, the red, the green, you know, your port and starboard, and running light up on the top, which is white. So that's what I put. Nav lights, red, green, top, white. So they know it's on the top and it's a white one. Okay. Then in the little brackets, I put down red and black equal white and black at nav lights. Now, what I meant is the red and black go to the white and black. So they equal the white and black at the nav lights. So every nav light has a white and black wire coming out, going into the red and black wire. Red black equals white black at nav lights. I think that would be okay. If I have to make any changes, what I'll do is I'll let Darlene read it, not knowing what I'm doing here, and see what she comes up with. Alright, so the yellow and black seems to do just one thing. So let's get that down here. That's twisted. Oh, we don't want all caps on you. I'm going to change my gizmo here. Okay. Twisted. Oh, we only need one T. Will you stop it? Now we're back to caps. Come on. My pinky finger keeps hitting the cap button.